Replay. Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you are catching the replay, make sure you give me a hashtag replay. But if you are catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. That means we can chat live right here on Facebook. Again, when you come on here, say hello to me. As long as you are not a current designer, I would love it if you would share my video. It is the greatest compliment you could give me. And if you're catching me on YouTube, you guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos. Hey guys, how are you? Happy Monday. We are back home. It's been crazy. I know I haven't been here. We did that vendor show in North Carolina. Then we went home to visit our families back in Pennsylvania, and we are finally back home here in South Carolina. So, whew, it's been crazy. Hey, Sandy, how are you? I'm so excited you took advantage of that offer in the VIP group for the 12 Days of Christmas. Whoop, whoop. You guys, I do have a private VIP group. It is for anyone who is currently not a designer. I have some really great deals going on in there right now, and I have a 12 days of Christmas, and each day for the next 12 days, I have a really cool sale going on. So if you're interested in being a part of my VIP group, just comment below hashtag VIP, and I will make sure I get you that link. So you guys, what is this? This is called Chalk Couture. For those of you who have never heard of this is a DIY home decor and crafting business that you will not find anywhere else. Thank you for the heart, Sandy. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you to get your mystery bundle too. I think you're gonna love it. We have these really, really cool silk screen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and we have Couture inks. We do have several surfaces like chalkboards, boxwood frames. We have these beautiful Odette whiteboards. We have a canvas banner. We have some pillowcases, but these can be used on wood, glass, tin, dry erase board, and then our inks are used for like your t-shirts, your fabrics, dish towels, things like that. So the possibilities are truly, truly endless. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is a DIY home decor business where you can be a designer like myself. And it's just $99 in the US or $129 in Canada. So if you're interested in learning more about the opportunity, this is really the greatest time of year to become a designer. And I started in November of 2017. And why not give yourself, for the holidays, the gift of a home business? I am telling you, it's the best decision I ever made 2 years ago, and I would love to share that with you. So you guys, let me get this up on my screen so you can see what Chalk Couture is all about. So today, we are going to be doing this cute little project called One Child, One Star, One Night. I have been waiting to do this one. I absolutely love it. Now I am going to be using this gorgeous chalkboard that you see right here. This is one of the chalkboards that we do offer at Chalk Couture. This is called our Aiden chalkboard. You guys, this thing is gorgeous. It comes in white or black. Hold on a second. There's something on my board there. Whoops. It has this beautiful distressed frame. It's meant to be that way. It's supposed to look distressed. What I love about it is the chalkboard itself is a porcelain steel magnetic chalkboard. So if you had like little embellishments or things that you wanted to put on here with magnets, you absolutely can do that. Now this is also available as a part of our Club Couture startup kit. So if you're interested in being a part of the Club Couture program, it's a really cool program that we offer for a monthly subscription for $19.99 a month, or $19.99 a month. You're going to get an exclusive transfer. But when you join, let me throw this up on my screen here really quick. You have the option to purchase this Club Couture Kickstart kit. It's actually a discounted kit, but you do get this beautiful Aiden board, as you see there. You get a multi-tool, board and base, small squeegee, a full size of white chalk paste, and a board eraser. So you guys, it's a totally great deal. Again, if you're interested in learning more about that, just comment hashtag club below, and I'll make sure I get you the link for that. So, any hootenannies. I hope you all had a really wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving. I would love to know something that you did for the Thanksgiving dinner. Maybe something different that you ate, something you love to eat for each and every holiday season, or did you go out of town? Do you have your Christmas tree up? Tell me something fun that you have done over this Thanksgiving holiday season. I would love to know. So you guys, right on the back of your transfers are the directions on how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. It tells you exactly what you need to do should you choose to just purchase from the website on how to do this. Plus, you can check out all the DIY tutorials that I have here on Facebook or on YouTube. So I'm just going to take this right out of the packaging. Now, I want to tell you, some people, I've been getting asked this question a lot. How do you store your transfers? So you guys, I actually have a picture portfolio that I bought from Michaels. That's how I store mine. But I can tell you what a lot of designers do. They just keep their packaging. And I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can. Do you see how that has like this little hanger hole here? When people are done, sometimes they just clean off their transfer, let them dry. They put them right back into this packaging, and then they actually hang it. Like they have one of those hanger bars that you put your clothes on in the laundry, and they just hang it from there. So it's just another way that you can store your transfers if you choose to get a lot of them, which it becomes very addicting. I have to tell you that you do end up with a lot of transfers because you can change this out for each and every season. So our first step, you guys, is going to be writing on the back of our transfer because we want to know what side of our carrier sheet it will go back on, because remember I said these are reusable. When we are done with this, we're going to clean it up with water. We will wipe it down with a Clorox wipe, let it air dry, adhesive side up, and you usually get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses out of one transfer. So I like to take my finger, rub it right over the edge to get it started. I like to flip mine over, and then I remove my carrier sheet from my transfers, and I'm going to set this aside. Now, if you forget to write on the back, my little tip for you is there's a shiny side and there's a matte side. The shiny side is where your transfer will go back on after you're done cleaning it. Now, since this is a first time use of this transfer and I can feel it's pretty sticky, I'm actually going to fuzz this up. Now, you can use like a Microsoft towel at home. We do have these. My granddaughter and I ate dinner at Springs at the Artisan Hotel. Oh, that's awesome, Sandy. I'm so glad you got to spend time with family. That's always the best. Always the best. So you guys, I'm just fuzzing this up on our fuzzing cloth that we have. And it just helps it when it's really sticky to get a little bit on the back of there so it's easier to get off. And I just love our fuzzing cloths. They clean up nice. They're double-sided. One is a microfiber and one is the fuzzing side. So super awesome if you're looking for the additional tools that you need to create fun projects. So now all I'm doing is adhesive side down, placing this right on my board. I'm gonna smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in the silk screen. So everywhere you can see through, this is all silk screen. You guys, there's no weeding involved in here. All of the detailing and character is already done for you in this silk screen. Now, really, I want to let you know, if you don't like where you position it, you can always pull it up. And you always want to pull top to bottom, left to right. This is a silk screen, so it's a fabric. So you can stretch it, so you just want to make sure you peel it up, and like I said, you can reposition if you need to. And there is actually something right on my transfer there. Got a little too much fuzz, so I'm just going to pick that right off. All right, so now that I've got that done, this is going to kind of be a simple, quick and easy project. So I'm only going to be using 2 colors for this. I'm going to be using our shimmering gold and our white chalk paste, okay? Our chalk paste is water-soluble, semi-permanent, comes in over 38 different colors, okay? Look how beautiful. That's like my favorite color for the holiday season. Love the shimmering gold. You always want to stir up your chalk paste so that you get all of the pigments blended together. You guys, these chalk pastes are not found anywhere except through Chalk Couture designers like myself. This is made in-house at Chalk Couture, so it is not available at those craft stores that you see out there, okay? One thing nice is, like I said, these are water soluble, semi-permanent. So if you mess up and you do this on a chalkboard, you totally can fix it, which is amazing. And I do have videos showing that. You always want it to be like a yogurt sour cream consistency. So let me get this all stirred up for you. The shimmering colors, you really don't have to add water to them. They are a little different consistency. They've always been that way because they have the shimmer, but I still like to stir them up to get those pigments blended. So what we're going to be doing today is the wording is all going to be done in white. I'm going to do all my little stars and dots and the 2 lines in the gold. Okay, so I've got my squeegees with me. So I'm going to start with my gold. Okay, so I'm just going to dip my squeegee in there and I'm just going to pull this across that silkscreen area, just like that. And if you guys have any questions as we're going along, please let me know. I would love to answer any questions you have about Chalk Couture, about our products. There's a lot of great things going on right now this time of year for the holidays. Great gift giving ideas. Like I said, I've got some really awesome 12 days of Christmas going on in my VIP group. Just comment #VIP below if you wanted to be added to that. As long as you're not a designer, I would love to add you to take. You could take advantage of all the great deals. So just like that, I'm going to leave it like that. Scrape off my excess, and then I'm going to get my white, dip it right in, and then I'm just going to pull this across that silkscreen area, you guys. Easy peasy. There's nothing fancy done. You do need to apply pressure, okay, because you wanted to get it through that silkscreen. This isn't like you're painting or anything like that. So you're applying pressure. I always like to put my finger down at the bottom to give it that little extra pressure. Just like that. Now I've got to kind of pay attention so I don't go in my other sections there. Scraping off my excess. See, I've got too much up there. And I'm not going to do my star because I am going to add just a little embellishment on that one instead of actually using the star. Okay, I got excess, so I'm going to put that in my jar. And we are going to peel and reveal here in a second. And you guys are going to be like, what? That's so amazing. Oop. You get all that C over there, you guys. Missed that little edge. Excess back in the jar. No wasting. No wasting. All right. Squeegees get cleaned up as well. They go right in the water. So here we go. We're going to pull up our transfer. Remember, top to bottom, left to right. Check it out, you guys. This is going to go right in water. I'm just going to set that off to the side, right in my water. I'm going to clean that up. And look how gorgeous and nice that lettering is. Do you see that? Nice, crisp, clean lines. How awesome does that look? And that gold and white goes great with this frame. So now what I'm going to do, because remember there's supposed to be a star, I am actually just going to get a little paintbrush, okay? And I'm going to paint my star using the chalk paste, you guys. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to take a paintbrush with some chalk paste and I'm going to just paint my star. Painting my star. Nothing crazy. Now if you guys are catching me on the replay, again, give me a #replay. And please let's answer my questions. I would love to know what you did for the upcoming holiday. I know Sandy got to spend time with her granddaughter, which is awesome. We got to spend time with our families, which was awesome. It was so great. We have not been home in years because I have worked retail my whole life. But for the last 4 years, I have not had off for Black Friday, Black Saturday, Black Sunday, Cyber Monday. As a store manager, you do not get those holidays off. But since I was able to leave my full-time job to do Chalk Couture, I was able to spend time with family, work from home, and that is the beauty of being a designer with Chalk Couture. So, all things are possible if you put your mind and your heart and you love what you do. And I love what our products are. I love what we have to offer you guys. It's simply amazing. So if you're interested in learning more about being a designer, just give me a hashtag join below. I do have a private opportunity group with a 15-minute video you can watch to learn more. Hey, how are you? It's coming up as sunset again. Isn't that crazy? I don't know why it's doing that. All right, so then I'm just going to take a little bit of the shimmering copper and I'm just going to add some color in it because I do like the copper too, guys. I think it's really pretty. But just to give it some extra color, I'm just going to add a little bit of copper in there. Oop! Where did I drop it? Felt like I dropped it somewhere. Kind of giving it a little bit of, see, I'm just painting it on, you guys. Nothing crazy. Just painting it with a paintbrush. It's just the chalk paste. Okay, gave that star a little bit of character, definition. Whoops, you can't really see that. See? Just added some chalk paste. Just like that. Now, you need to, because this is still wet, so I am just going to, hold on one second, I got chalk paste on my fingers. I am going to hit it with a hairdryer just to make sure it's dry. I love the copper too. Love the copper. Oh, Sandy, our family was absolutely happy, except for the fact that Ike got really, really sick on the drive this time. We don't know why, but you know, we had some doggy vomit, couple not so good days with Ike there, but he's better now that he's home, which is always good. Ended up going to the vet, getting some medicine. Crazy, crazy. But it was so good to see family. So good. All right, so got that, dried it up. It only takes a few seconds when you hit it with a hairdryer to dry this up. Now, truthfully, you guys, you could stick a magnet on the back of here. I am actually, oops, hold on, I got some extra chalk paste on there that I didn't want. I'm just going to use like a glue dot or a sticky dot. This is that double-sided tape. So I'm just sticking this right on the back of my star. And I'm going to place this right on top. Just like that. Okay? And check it out. Look how cute that is. Just a little extra embellishment there. And it's still a little bit wet, so I don't want to... There we go. It's a little bit wet still. Whoops. Keep losing that. But look how cute that turned out. And like I said, the star is really, really cute on the transfer itself. I like giving my things a little bit of 3 dimension. So it was just a wooden star. Like seriously, you buy them in a pack of 100 or whatever these are. I just painted it with some chalk paint, you guys, the shimmering colors. But look how cute and sweet and simple that is, especially for this time of year. You know somebody may be getting ready to have a baby. How sweet would this be for their nursery as well? So you guys, thank you so, so much for tuning in. If you have any questions about Chalk Couture, about the products that I used today, I would love to answer those for you. Just comment below and I will make sure I get you the answer. Remember, I do have the 12 Days of Christmas going on in my private VIP group. As long as you are not a designer, I would love to get you that information. And you guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay tuned this week. I have some more fun projects coming out and I'll be talking with you soon. Bye, everyone.